If you're looking for a quiet, reliable furnace that is easier on your budget, the Trane XV80 might be the system for you. In this video, we'll break down the XV80's features and go over who might benefit most from this furnace. Hi, I'm Brian with Fire and Ice. We've talked with thousands of customers in the Central Ohio area, and one of the biggest questions we're asked is how can I make my home more comfortable without breaking the bank? One of the most popular solutions is the Trane XV80 gas furnace. In this video, we're going to cover what are the features of the Trane XV80, what is the efficiency rating for the Trane XV80, who's the right fit for this furnace, how much does the XV80 cost, and finally, what to do next. By the end of this video, you'll know if the Trane XV80 furnace is right for you and your home. Let's dive in and look into the features of the Trane XV80. First off, it's a two-stage gas valve, making it a mid-range furnace. A two-stage gas valve allows your furnace to operate in two capacities, 100% and a lower capacity between 60 and 70%. This allows you to have more control over the temperature in your home at a lower initial cost than the modulating furnaces. Next is the XV80's variable speed blower motor. The variable speed motor gives you more control over the overall circulation of air in your home, giving you added comfort and helps you reduce the cool and hot spots all year round. Lastly is its large insulated cabinet. The Trane XV80's 40-inch cabinet allows for quieter operation and helps maximize airflow. The Trane XV80 is considered a standard efficiency furnace with an 80% efficiency rating. This means 80% of the fuel that is used goes towards heating your home and the other 20% is exhausted as waste. The Trane XV80 furnace is the best furnace on the market when a high-efficiency furnace is not practical, but you still want reliable comfort. Now, you may be wondering, is the Trane XV80 right for me? If you are a homeowner looking to replace your current gas furnace, the Trane XV80 could be right for you. The XV80 also works well for many mid-sized budgets. And thanks to its two-stage gas valve and variable speed blower motor, this furnace can help reduce hot and cold spots in your whole house. A perfect solution for a split-level and multi-story homes. However, due to its 40-inch cabinet, a clearance at least 7 feet is needed to properly install the system. Additionally, the Trane XV80 will be able to work alongside any non-communicating air conditioner. Check with your HVAC partner to confirm that your current air conditioner is compatible. Now for the burning question, what does it cost? The Trane XV80 furnace can cost between $4,200 and $4,900. This price would include the cost of equipment, labor, and all that is necessary for the proper installation of the furnace. Factors that can change the price include the size of the home, filters or other indoor air quality products, the location of the system, and any changes that may be needed during installation. These factors create a range in price for both the furnace or a full system installation. For comparison, a new furnace replacement can range between $3,000 and $7,600, making the Trane XV80 a reliable mid-range option. If you want more information on the Trane XV80 or other heating solutions, click the link in the description below. If you found this video helpful, feel free to subscribe and click the bell icon to get notifications when we upload any new videos. Thank you for watching, and we look forward to making your day even better.